Okay, I'm going to show you how this new multi-function tailgate on the 2019 GMC Sierra works. So let's start at the top. This top section folds down into a high-mounted work surface if you want to use it that way. Flip this up. You've got this bed extender if you have tall, long cargo. Fold that down, fold that up. The whole tailgate is soft drop, and then you've got these cup holders on both sides. That's nice. Another bed extender right here. If you undo that latch, you've got this helpful step right there. And then a GMC rep told me that you can actually get speakers installed here. And then you've got a power plug there. You've got bed lighting, and then this handy assist bar to grab onto, and you can use it to climb into the bed.